Funky. Hey guys, so welcome back to my video. So this is going to be like a quick get ready with me. You guys already, I'm almost like halfway done with my face. I just wanted to show you some of the products that I had bought and that I'm going to be using. So I had bought these Paw Wonder blenders, and I've been seeing these all on TikTok, and I wanted to try it out to see. I really don't use beauty blenders. I only use beauty blenders to blend out certain areas on my face. So we gonna see how these work. As you guys know, I'm finna blend my concealer out with a brush, of course.
You blow me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, just let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart. Can't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man. I put my life in your hands. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, I wanna cater to you. Baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man. Your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, just let me cater to you. Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you. Let me cater to you.
So when you blending out your concealer, with a brush, you want to blend out the edges first and then work your way up. Take one of my beauty blenders, basically close to like my contour. On the packaging is super soft. It said latex free, expands when gets wet. So basically it gets bigger when it's wet, and it says flawless application. So we're gonna try and see, and I'm just gonna damp it just a little bit. Y'all, get it. Go get them, y'all. It's literally like a beauty blender.
You blow me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, just let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart. Can't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man. I put my life in your hands. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you
I just like going in with a brush than a beauty blender. Like, I just do.
do anything for my man. Your dinner, your dessert, and so much more.
I just feel like it looks super full coverage, and it looks really airbrush, and it just, I love it. But yeah, I like these. I'm definitely gonna be using these. Yes. So I'm gonna just blend out my nose with a sponge. Tarte Shape in this highlight effect, my fave. And I'm just gonna put it right here. Just a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna finish my face off camera because what I really want to show you guys was those beauty blenders and this Rare Beauty Cream Blush. So I was so excited to like use this and get this because I've been looking for me, like, I just wanted to try like a orange blush, you know, because I just love that warm look on my face. I want to try something different, and I'm always using like a darker pink. This is the packaging, and the color that I got was Joy. For TikToker influencers always was using this cream blush, but I think she was using like a different color. And I just wanted to try it. I just love how it looked on her skin. But this is how it looks. I got this from Sephora. This was $20. And look at the color. I'll show you guys. Like, it looks so pretty. And I'm gonna just put like a little bit. I'm gonna put like 2 dots. Probably what I'm gonna be using. It's literally like that perfect orange what I've been looking for. Okay, so let's see. In love, like, this blends so smooth on the skin, as y'all can see. This color is so perfect and it's so pretty. But this color is so pretty on my skin. Like, yes, this color with my Juvia's Place, and I always use the orange shade. Oh, yes, just one more dot. Like, just one more. Because I was just testing it out. That's why I use like 2 dots, but I'm going to just add like one more tiny dot. Yeah, there we go. Because, like, I like that warm effect on my face. Like, I love the cream blushes that be having, like, the applicator on it. It just applies so much better. I knew I was going to be in love, especially with this color. In love.
You blow me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, just let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart. Can't nothing tear us apart. You're all I want in a man. I put my life in your hands. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, I wanna cater to you. Baby, this is your day. Doing it.
Tarte Shape and Too Faced concealer is my top favorite. Like, all I use. For drugstore, the only one that I like is e.l.f. But for high end, Tarte Shape and Too Faced. Super creamy. Now I'm just gonna blend this like with my cream blush, my concealer. I just like that look. My under eye just be looking extra snake. I'm gonna go in with my powder puff on my pressed powder. Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the shade 10. Using this pressed powder first before I apply my loose powder, but I wanted to try this step first, so I just wanted y'all to see it. But y'all already know, extra snatched, of course. So I'm gonna finish up my whole face and I'll be back. Look what came out so cute. So now I'm finna put my clothes on and then to see it, because you probably ain't gonna be able to see it with my head on. So I'm gonna put on my bracelets. Put my necklace on. Put some perfume on. So So now I think I want to take my pictures first and then go vacuum and wash out my car. And then I'm debating if I want to go to South Bend. I don't know. Probably don't. Probably wait until like sometime next week. It's like I'm tired of spending money. But like, y'all, hopefully I know I'm gonna get some good pictures in anyway. So I'll be back. The location, guys. It's nice. I'm gonna take my pictures. This came out really good. Period. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car, vacuum it out because it needs to be vacuumed. Everybody be in my car, but me. Grwm got dirt on it, so every time I get in, it's just dirt, which I hate. But everything else is just so clean. But that's something I'm gonna get to the car wash. How high gas is, it's ridiculous. So I'm finna vacuum on my car first and then wash it. Dark, but I'm still finna go ahead and vacuum. You see that? It gotta be looking like my back. You see how clean my back is? Like, yes, it just really be my front. That's why I don't be want people in my car. No, it's just my front. Dirty, but I'm finna wash my own car. I'm gonna show y'all instead of going in a machine.